Alright, we back. So as you can see, there's no special tool required to remove these. You just put a little force on them and turn them, and they will unscrew. They have like a little threads, this little plastic thing, so you just twist those right off of there. Now on the metal one, there are hold on by 10mm bolts. So we're gonna have to go ahead and remove those to get that off. So I'm gonna grab my ratchet. Now that we got those off, I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing out of the way. As you can see, that came out, allowed that to drop right down. Now you can see the brake lines and everything are exposed. So we could go ahead and get the rest of this harness to get disconnected and pull out. So that way when we take everything from the donor car, we'll be installing all the wiring from that one. All right, so we got this all removed. As you can see, these bolts are exposed now. These are 10mm bolts. That's going all the way around. The brake booster, master cylinder assembly. The whole thing come out together as one, and just off of removing that, as this is automatic, the other car that we have crashed is a 6-speed stick shift. So we're gonna go ahead and remove this out, and we're gonna put the whole pedal assembly in from the other car. So we're gonna loosen these bolts up so that way when we get in the inside to remove the dashboard, this thing will be ready to come out. So I'm gonna go ahead and work on that. Okay, I'm gonna have to get an extension to get those out. Yeah, that's all you have to do is go ahead and remove all those out. And once you go inside and you get the dashboard removed, that thing will come right out of there. So that's what we're gonna do right now. Go ahead and finish that up so we can start getting inside. All right, so this is the inside. We're gonna go ahead and start removing all this that was piled up in the car. Get this interior all torn down. Removing the center console. The gas pedal is missing. We're gonna go ahead and get this dashboard taken out. Steering column removed. and continue. Get this shifter removed and start taking out this center console. Okay, that's removed there. I guess there's a couple bolts underneath that we're gonna have to get to. So I see if I can turn the camera. There's one little star bolt there. I'm gonna get that removed. Maybe the lid will come off, but the actual shifter have to come out from underneath the car. But if we get this removed, we can go ahead and get the center console out. Get some tools and get that done. Right. That came right off. Right. Now that that's off. So up underneath here, it's a little tab here. Let's see if I can to pry that away from the shifter on both sides to actually get this to come up. Move out of the way. So you can see right here, have a little slit in it, and on the other side, it actually locks in right there. Once you get those removed, you can go ahead and just connect this little light, as it just twists in and lock right here. Remove that, and that's off. And those four right there are studded, holding it in from the bottom. I disconnect the wiring here, and should be ready. I'll mount the center console and get that out the way. So you can see, guys, I got the dash skin all taken out. It's over here to the side. Take a ton of 7mm bolts out. Let's get that out. Now we're taking the dash reinforcement out. My buddy stopped by to help me. We got this all out and out of the way. There's two bolts up here. Won't come out due to the windshield. Trick to that is to take a grinder, cut the bolt, replace them at the end.